Hello and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be removing a Renault Koleos HZG master right front window switch. If you do find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and most importantly subscribe to support the channel. First we will need to remove the Torx screw, which is located underneath a little cover on the door pull handle, and it's a T20. Next, with a plastic tool, go from the front of the window switch and push in that part there and then lift it upwards. Next, on the sides there will be two clips which I will show you in this video as well. As you can see, it comes off quite easily with a plastic tool. These are the clips on the sides if you want to know the exact location. And basically you slide it forwards, so it slots in, to thing you pull it forward. Next we'll need to detach the plugs by pressing onto the plug removers, and pretty much this is very easy to do. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment and most importantly subscribe to support the channel, and we will see you in our upcoming videos.